Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are doing a little week in my life. It's very sporadic, so bear with me, but we're starting off with this little Sunday reset routine. This is just a great way to kind of have a clear mind and clean house to go into the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and definitely enjoyed this super calm clean with me. You guys, look at my freaking cute little heart in my coffee. How adorable is that? Oh my god, I look so scary. What? I look like a straight vampire, which is perfect because welcome to my Twilight themed all-nighter. Same. You see the heart I accidentally poured in my coffee?
What's love got to do with it? What's love but a second emotion? Yeah.
I was showing you my heart and then you immediately saying, what does love have to do with it? But I forgot what I was saying.
No, I don't sleep.
The thing is that like I know I would not get any sleep anyways because I would be up all night thinking about everything that I should be doing. I'd be like, why am I wasting my time sleeping when I could be working?
I don't sleep.
And I just wouldn't be able to shut my brain off, so it's like might as well be productive, you know what I mean? Because my insomnia and everything, and
I don't sleep.
the ability to turn off my brain when I sleep does not exist. Surviving, not thriving, but it's okay. We'll get through it. The good thing is that I'm really good about maintaining the mentality when I'm just not feeling my best and not doing my best. I'm really good about knowing that it'll pass. It's just a phase, and normally it does. So hopefully this one does too, and we're not stuck in it forever. Okay, cheers. Let's go do work. I really am having a crisis.
I can tell.
Wait. Hello, Mr. Croak, Zoe said with glee. How are you doing today? Have you caught any fleas?
Okay.
I'm sweating. God. Brennan's head is so freaking big. Okay, I procrastinated for like one more hour because I'm really pushing the limits on myself, but now I really need to get to work on this. Zoe is working on writing some stuff for a really cute thing that we're gonna be doing. But now I really need to get this website stuff finished. So that's what I'm gonna do. So enjoy. Also, look at my new nightgown. It's got the 7 dwarves on it. And it says, what does it say on the back? Everybody is grumpy in the morning.
We're all grumpy in the morning.
Which is very true for me. If you know anything about me, I am not a morning person. Hence why I'm up at 2:21 a.m.
Sleep in a minute.
You're what?
I'm gonna be sleep in a minute.
You tired?
Yeah.
That's funny because I'm not.
I don't sleep.
She's a track star.
Hey guys.
Wow.
I'm in a very chaotic mood right now. We went to go see Little Mermaid. Loved it. Loved it. They had a lot of the original dialogue from the movie, which I loved. A lot of like moments from the original score, which I loved. The new songs were mid for me, but like that's how I feel about a lot of like the musical live actions. Yeah.
Me too.
Get me a blue and white Mickey Mouse.
I knew it.
Thanks, bro.
I don't even know why I asked. I knew
She
it.
knows me. So we go see the movie. This is where the fun begins.
This is where the fun begins.
We come out of it and Zoe's like, there's like a leak in the bathroom because she went like mid-movie. And I go over there and it's not like a leak, it's like a river coming out of the bathroom. Like the carpet is like soaking wet and it stinks. But I have to pee so bad. My mom and I both held it like the last 45 minutes of the movie because we didn't want to miss anything. But I was like shaking in my seat trying to like hold it in like the whole time. So I had to pee bad, right? So we go over there and I like have to step, I don't have long enough legs that I can step over the river, but I do like one light step and then like skip over it kind of. But it stunk, like it smelled. So anyways, I have to jump back over the river. So I had to step in it 2 times because then they were like, no, the bathroom's closed. So I had to go back over the river of stuff and go down like over to like the family restrooms that's inside the mall that the theater has. Like the theater is in a mall. I have to go down to the mall bathrooms. Both of them are saying they're vacant, but like, ooh, speaking of poop, both. I'm sorry, there's just one more. Whoever clogged the bathroom. Damn!
I just know you
that's funny, bro.
I'm sorry. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting it.
Anyways, so go down to that bathroom. Both of them say vacant, but like, we're knocking, no one's there. You can't open the doors. So then we go down the escalators to different ones, and I'm literally walking. I'm walking like this, okay? I'm walking like this. Because I have to pee. We finally get to the bathroom, and obviously I finally get to pee. Realize I've started my period to add to the fun, which I would have cried all throughout that movie anyways, but I think it was like elevated by the fact that I just got my period because I'm always the most emotional like the day before. Oh,
The day we both felt like we needed to cry.
yeah. And on Monday, I was like raging on Monday.
You were. I stayed out of the way.
Yeah,
I
because
avoid that.
we were in the car and Brendan was like, I'm not even kidding you, I'm pretty sure he was like, you're so cute. And I was like, what's that supposed to mean? What do you mean I'm cute? Like, I just immediately went on the defensive.
I was like raging on Monday. So it's kind of all coming together. I should have known. Anyways, so we go down, we pee, blah, blah, blah. And then I hear Mom and Zoe talking about like something else, about whatever. And I come out of the bathroom and this like sink is like bubbled up with like stuff floating in it. I don't know if it was
brown.
I don't know if it was excrements, but it was not.
But I told you the
water.
That's what was happening in the bathroom when I took my first trip during the movie. The toilet was overflowing the wrong way.
Yeah.
That's, I think, what started them being like, oh.
There's an
like,
issue.
when I walked in the bathroom the first time, it was just a girl with Febreze going like this that was working there. And I was like, this is not a good sign. But I had to pee. There was no stopping.
Oh, okay. So, continuing on the story.
Sorry.
No, you're good at this.
So you peed.
So I. Mm-hmm.
And you saw the sink.
I'm getting there.
Okay.
I saw the sink after I peed. Okay, and then we're going out to the car, right? And Zoe's trying to tell us this story that I'm very much interested in hearing about. And the whole time, I am smelling poop. I am smelling what I smell.
The first thing you said was, does the car smell bad to you guys?
Yeah, I was like, what is, like, does it stink in here? So I just asked Julia, who was with us, and Zoe, and I was like, does it smell bad in here? And both of them are like, no. And I'm like, okay. So we keep driving on the road, and like my eyes are like watering because it stinks. And the thing about the slides that I was wearing is they've got this like swirly design underneath. And when I wear them, like when it rains, they get like waterlogged. And like when I stand on them, you can hear like the of like water like squeezing out of them, like the air sort of, if that makes sense. And so like Zoe's really trying to tell her story and I'm trying so hard to listen, but the air con is on and I'm being affronted with the sense of like, shit. And I'm like, no, I swear it's not just me. Like it smells. And I literally was like tearing up because I was like, it stinks. And so I really couldn't deal with it. So I rolled down the window and Zoe was like, I'm sure we can find a trash can. So I like right off a main road in Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia.
We were on Lenox Road.
And yeah. And Zoe literally is like, she's like, give me a flip-flop. Back to the car.
I ain't never tracked hard in my life like that.
She was running so fast.
Please don't
There was a like line of people behind me. I put my hazards on. I rolled down the window and I'm like, go around. She's got poop flops. Like I couldn't deal with it. So she threw them in the trash for me. Hops back in the car and we drive down the road and I'm like, it's immediately better. It's immediately better. And I'm like, it was the poop flops, which means there was probably some poop residue in the floorboard of my car, which means I need to go get it detailed. So then we come home and luckily I called Brendan and so he brought out shoes to me because it's raining today and I got socks on and I can't handle walking in wet with socks on. So he comes out, he brings me shoes, I walk inside, shut the door, everything. I'm talking to Julia, talking to Zoe. We're having a good time. And my lip starts throbbing. And so I'm thinking, like, I touch the flip-flops. Did I touch anything here? And it just keeps throbbing. And I'm trying to talk, but I'm like, it keeps throbbing. And it's like tingling and like itching just like a little bit. And so I'm like, and I looked inside and I'm like, do I have something on my face? Because like if my cat's like scratched me a little bit, and I was holding Boost and he put his like paw here, and if they scratch me, I'll get irritated a little bit. So I was thinking maybe he got me and I didn't realize it, but she was like, oh, you've got like a blister. And I was like, so I have E. coli.
No, it wasn't.
So
you didn't look that normal.
Poop
You
flop
saw Jesus.
infested me in this blister. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. The way my like hot, stinky breath fogged.
Can you see it?
Ah! Anyways, so she looked it up for me. Ignore my really chapped lips. Do you see it? Stop, I'm trying to be normal so they can see it.
That's not normal. Do you see it?
Right there. You see it.
She swears it's fucking E. coli.
Okay. So anyways, so Zoe starts looking up E. coli and everything so that I can understand what I'm working with. And we don't think it's E. coli because that's really more aggressive looking. She says it's just a cold sore. But I've never, ever had a cold sore. So now I'm like, herpes, Brandon's cheating on me.
You literally said, Brandon!
I need to kill. No, for real though. Anyways.
It's just a cold.
It's just been a chaotic evening. And I have my first ever cold sore on the day that I got my period and I stepped in poop. So it's just been a lot
At
today.
least you saw the Little Mermaid.
But I saw the Little Mermaid and it was good. You guys,
In case you need some more.
it's been an evening. I feel like I've been doing a terrible job at I feel like I've been doing a terrible job at filming this week. And I'm trying my best, but I hope that tonight's story was at least interesting for you because it was interesting to experience. And my lip hurts.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
All right, I'm going to go upstairs and read my book. I'm on the 3rd book in the Throne of Glass series. So I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna live my life even though I've been infected. Okay, bye.
I don't sleep.